Okay. Hinds-Bock Depositor, 5 piston. This is a WT, which is the wide way. You're going to want to put your pen in this way. So we're going to put an NT. So we're going to have to move these brackets in here. So your pen will foot this way, 5 across, 7 deep. So right now I'm just showing you how it works. You're going to put your battery in here. You're going to put the pen to the ports. You're going to hit the trigger. That's going to dump. You're going to move it. You're going to hit it again. You're going to move it. You're going to fill your trays, and you're going to have your pen's going to be full with your battery. Okay, I'll do that. We'll do that one more time. Your pen, once, twice, 3 times. Okay, let's look at the back side. Watch the pistons. As I hit the trigger, so they come back around. This is run by air and air only. You're running 75 to 80 pounds of air. This is your air block. It's nothing to do with, no adjustments to here. Your air block. To set the amount that you want, you're going to come over here. You're going to dial this in. This is going to make the stroke either shorter or longer. Once you get to your number here on the bar, you're going to lock this in and it will stay there. So you'll have a table here for certain types of muffins if you want to do more than this type of pan. But you said you had a 5 across, 7 deep. That's going to be a narrow way. It's going to be a narrow way. You're going to come in. The product cylinder is here. We're going to have a new one made for you for your pan, which is a 535D, I believe you told me. So that's 5 across, 7 deep. Your pan will go this way. The track, this rail will be here. You will move and each time you hit the button once you've adjusted the amount that you want and you've locked that in. This is a hopper. I believe it's 44 gallons. So it's about as big a hopper as you'll just need to have something to pump this full. It comes with the table. It's going to have the NT rails. It's going to have the product cylinder for your pan. So that's just wanted to give you a little idea of how this works. And I will send you a quote, or I'll talk to you on the phone about the price of this machine.